Hi, we're going to review how to find the unit rate from a table of information. The tables that we're looking at do have proportional relationships, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So remember, when finding the unit rate in a table, you want to take your y coordinate or your y number and divide it by your x. Okay, and it doesn't matter which y you choose. I could choose 39. If I chose 39 for my y, then I have to choose 3 for my x. I could choose 130. If I choose 130, then I have to choose the 10 for my x. Okay, so yeah, I do have to, if you, whatever number, whichever y you pick, you do have to use that x that's in the same row. Okay? All right, so to find the unit rate, you're going to take your y, and I'm just going to take 78. And 78 is the number of apples, so 78 apples divided by my x, which is 6 trees. Okay, and when I take 78 divided by 6, I get 13. Okay, and then to label it, whatever your y label is, that's what goes first. So apples per, P-E-R, and then whatever your X label is, per tree. So 13 apples per tree. Let's pick a couple different ones and make sure that we get the same answer of 13 apples per tree. So let's take 130 apples divided by 10 trees. 130 divided by 10 is 13. So I still get 13 apples per tree. Okay, let's try one more. Let's do 26 divided by 2. I still get 13 apples per tree. Okay, so hopefully this shows that it doesn't matter which x and y you pick, as long as the x and the y are in the same row, but it doesn't matter which row of numbers you pick, you still should get the same answer. Let's try one more example. This time our x is time in minutes, and our y is distance in feet. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick, let's do 12. So 12 feet, that's my y. Remember, y divided by x, and I'm going to divide that by 4 minutes. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. My label is feet per minute. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Let's do 18 feet divided by 6 minutes. That would be 3 feet per minute. So same answer. Same answer. So hopefully that helps review how to find a unit rate from a table. Thank you.